Learn English with Word In. Today's sentences list. Sentence 1.
Your navel will be displaced.
Your navel will be displaced. Sentence 2.
Maria came to know.
Maria came to know. Sentence 3.
You are such a gem.
You are such a gem. Sentence 4.
Don't have patience.
Don't have patience.